All right, you guys, take a look at this little, I needed a skimmer for my pool. And I found a pack of 2 on this one, and it's telescoping, you guys. So that means it expands. So like it can be short or, oh crap. Let's try not to break it. Okay, Megan? Yeah. Or you can expand it to be its full length. And then I'm just using this in the mornings to go around and get whatever debris is falling in my pool. Because I don't feel like I need a big one. So this one does the job, and we can scoop out leaves and everything. See? Look how easy that is. And it's pink. It matches the pool. And then we just, boop, 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 boop. That's it. Shake it out. Shake it off. 2-pack. They do come in other colors too. But of course we want the pink.